what you want to do is go to the room elevations, because it's here that you can control what the AI is going to be looking at to generate your image. So remember, the visibility depth is looking at all of the furniture in your room and kind of going as far back as you want or as close to the wall as you like. So right down to the sockets and the trim, or including the furniture. And actually that looks kind of good to me. I'm happy to include that in my view. So then you go to your photo preview and basically hit the button. Now this does take some time, so I'll edit it now to fast forward a little bit. But it does take time. The AI is taking a look at your plan, looking at what's in this room elevation, the south elevation of your room, and building up a photorealistic preview. Fast forward. There we go. Okay, so not bad. It hasn't included my pendant. There's a couple of things I might want to change. Probably the main one being that this would have been a hanging picture frame. So what we can do is hit adjust and just describe what you'd like to change. So replace wooden frame on wall with hanging picture frame. Hit update, and this is going to take a look at the image that it's got here and commit the updates that you've described. And so here it's updated the image now with a hanging picture frame. If we take another example, this time a bathroom, again, play with that visibility depth to get it right. I probably don't want to show that wall light on the left there, so I'm just going to slide that down to have this view, and then go to photo preview and hit generate. And sometime later, here we go. So it's got our toilet, the toilet brush, skirting. Again, it's all about just having that bit of visual inspiration to bring your plans to life. And in this case, it's pretty close. If we flipped to another side, let's go for this. And here's one I made earlier. And actually, you can see here, it's not got everything right. And this is just part of AI. You know, it's interpreted our shower head for whatever reason. It knows that there's wall lights in the room. It's interpreted the shower head as a wall light. But what you want to do then in that case is you've got two options: regenerate, start from scratch again, looking at your plan, or hit adjust and describe what you want it to correct.